Are you looking for a way to share your WhatsApp location to someone? I'll be showing you how to do just that in this video. So, watch to the end and don't make mistakes. Let's get started. You open your WhatsApp app on your device. Then, you open the chat with the person or group you want to share your location with. Tap on the plus icon located next to the text input field. Then, from the options that appear, select location. You will see two options: share live location or send your current location. Share live location allows you to share your real-time location for a set amount of time. It could be 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. While send your current location allows you to share your current location instantly without updates. So, you choose whichever is suitable for you. Once you have selected the options, confirm by tapping on it. If prompted, grant WhatsApp the access to your location. Then, your location will be set to the chat or the recipient you want to send it to, and the recipient will be able to view it. So, you have successfully shared your location on WhatsApp. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for more video tips. Bye.